Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make a purchase ledger in Excel. First, open a new Excel workbook and set up your column headers. Include fields such as date, vendor name, invoice number, description, amount, and payment status. Ensure your date column is formatted correctly and apply currency formatting to your amount column for easy tracking. This initial setup is crucial for an organized ledger. Now, let's start entering your purchase data. For each new purchase, simply add a new row. Fill in the date, vendor, invoice number, and a concise description of the item or service. Don't forget to accurately enter the purchase amount. Finally, mark the payment status, which could be paid, outstanding, or partially paid, to keep your records current and accurate. To gain insights from your ledger, we'll add some calculations. Use the SUM function at the bottom of your amount column to get a running total of all purchases. You can also create a separate column to calculate outstanding balances. Consider using conditional formatting to automatically highlight any payments that are overdue, making it simple to identify what needs attention at a glance. To make your purchase ledger even more robust, consider these advanced tips. Utilize data validation for certain columns, like payment status, to ensure consistent entries. Filters are incredibly useful for quickly sorting and viewing purchases by vendor or status. Remember to save your workbook frequently and create regular backups to protect your valuable financial data. This ensures your ledger remains a reliable tool.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.